Hey WBB stars, welcome to Dill in Reykjavík, Iceland. I am Kari, the head chef. I'm going to do dish number 2 here on our tasting menu, which is 3 textures of a sunchoke. For the people who don't know what a sunchoke is, it's sometimes very often known as a Jerusalem artichoke. Here we have a puree of sunchokes, which is seasoned with Icelandic skyr and some brown butter. On top of the puree here I put some fermented sunchokes. There we go. And next thing on top is the sweet and sour dill oil. Top of that we have some more sunchokes, of course, which are crispy and smoked sunchokes. Usually recommend eating this with a spoon. So, there you go, enjoy.